Today we are playing tower spinning, and let's do the wall hop. Nah, I am not good at this. Nah. Wait! What is this said? What the hell? How you gonna escape me? Try to get a revenge. What the hell? Let's get a battle. What the hell? I can't stop. Tiny ka ba? Ante na yung making a video. Sige. Oh, I go to Kian. So I can wall hop by myself. So what the hell? I can't go anywhere. Maybe this can do the wall hop. What? No, I am good at smalls na. I'm good at smalls. Yowies. Oh, Opekal! I am a YouTuber. Sige daw? Na, everyone not. No. What? The hell? What the hell? Cannot do. But let's do like this. What the hell? Someone slapped me again? Cannot. What? What the hell? I cannot climb. So I can go to the land. What the hell, Mama? Let's do the wall up together. Because I can't do the wall up because everyone's slapping me. Everyone, I'm gonna report this game last only. Last! Nah, I'm gonna leave this game. Other wall ups. Sexy. Mag-search ka na lang nandun. Hindi ka po salita. What? Easy Troll Tower? 50 rooms? Can you escape? Red, white, wall up. That's easy, sexy. It's a joke. Oh, we need to climb. I love books. Nah, we need to cheat. I can't cheat. No, this is easy. This is easy. This is easy. This is easy. This is easy.
Bandang!
Hawak ko lang. Huwag kayo magtagalong na umimik akong video sa Wobox. Here you, the Sir Brandon. Ha? What? Wolus me at the game. Aha, may speed coil ko. Let's play Menara. The blue. Let's make an armor. The blue. The blue. Where is it? I need to get. I think it's here. It's not here. There's no Menara. Lang. Gold. 3 1 10. Let's do the. For the wall. Let's do the trend. Let's do a trend. Whoa, it's so heavy to high. Let's go to the top. Wait! Don't do me to that. Look, this is a wall up. Secret wall up. Secret wall up. Secret wall up. What the hell? Oh. Whoa, I can do this. Whoa, what? Why? I can. What is this? There's a secret. No, Mama Mia, Saturday. What the glass bridge? So you can win. So I can make to the end. Wait here. Right here. Teleportation. Just okay. Okay. No! Let's solve out pre-limited tower. Let's go the practice! No! Let's go down here. Practice. Practice! Nani? So practice. Let's practice. One stud.
It's so laggy. It's so laggy.
This. I can do it. No, Mom. Why did you do this to me?
Right here.
Mom Tower, why did you do this to me? Nah. This is easy, nah. This is easy, nah. Look, I win. Look, I win now. Oh, this is 12 star. Look, this I win now. So 12 star. That's 12 stud. I know it's 12 studs. Let's do the yeah.
Oh my god.
Let's do the trend today.
No, they have a silver ball.
Tahimik ka nga, Brand. Okay. Why? Tata. Cannot blow this room. Wait! Why are that all the shoes? Shoes? I said shoes? No, shoes. Not shoes. So I can... What the... Is this... We up here? Ew, don't touch this white. This is so embarrassing. Ew. Oh, my number is... When I step white, the number gets 100. So I can do this. So I can do. Oh, I'm on the red. Wait, I played this game before na. Teleport. Reset. Reset R. Reset R. So what I gonna do now? Oh, spicy! Let's do this. No. Why? There's no way you can do this. Let's play Brook Tower 1. Brook Tower 1. Brookie Tower 1. Climb and jump. This game. Let's play this game. Wall up tower. Okay. That's easy. Pang ugly. That's easy ugly na. That's easy ugly. It's easy. We can cheat too for more. Why? Why for more? We can cheat more na. What the hell? No, Sayok mosquito, come here. Just go here. So, real Sayok. Diba? Wait, he's always join me, what? Where's she's? Oh no, he's changed her avatar to be a Sayok. So, he's still to the Sayok mosquito's name. So, that's why. I can do this. Wait, this is easy na. Look, Deb. Wait and look. I'm gonna show you all. Wow! Mama! I am not here. You have no using. What the hell? I did this drop. So I can jump with you. So thank you. need to do this na. This is easy for me. We're like gonna troll. Everyone is trolling. So, what the hell? There's no trick. This is the hardest one. Everyone is doing that, YouTubers. So, I can do it anything. I can do wall-ups. Small wall-ups. Baby wall-ups. Baby. It's very tiny. It's for cheating for babies. Oh, Bungsun doing the wall-up. So, you cannot do it. So, you are loser. So, let's go do this. Let's do this! Whoa. Sick mosquito. Someone steal your avatar. Whoa. It's easy to do it. Whoa. Beep. Whoop. Boot. No. What the hell? This is so embarrassing na. Let's jump. Wee. No. Let's skip. Let's skip. So we're gonna, what the hell? So jump, boop, boop, boop. So I can do this anymore. What the hell? Let's do this. Anymore. More. Yes. So there's a troller. So troller again. So no. What the hell? He do it for me. It would be a hardest. What the hell? That's a bullying, nah. That's bullying. What did you doing here, guys? Just this is easy, nah. You can go here to the middle. Look, I can do it. Anything. Why? It's here. It's here. We can do the secret. Secret. We cannot get it. Cannot get it na. There's a secret way na. Hey, why are you standing here, ugly boy? Why are you standing here, peoples? You are ugly or there's no internet? Or you are just robots? You are robots, guys? You're robots? You're robots? You're robots, guys? Yeah, I think you are robots. Wait, I am here, na? You are wrong. So, I am Ikapa, Blue Sky, Botak, Injoko, and Acuted, the Ryan Chiba, Rainbow Milky, wait. Rainbow Milky, Ika-apa, shit, Roblox Mister, Bota Cute, Bal, Iska, Pelchia, Rido, Bikini, Airi, Ipsira, Vania, Pudalan. I am not joining us here! Wait, I need to do this. No! Loser! You give to everyone to be a loser! Nah, this wallop is not doing to me. We need to cheat na. Wait. Thank you! What? Thank you! Wait. Who is this girl? Thank you! Thank you! I can beat this! Thank you! Evil! Thank you! Evil! Why is it so bad that here? I am bad it here na. This wallop is so bad. What the hell? Everyone is missing a tear. He cannot do it. He can't cheat anymore. He can cheat now. But why? Deserve. So deserve to be cheating. You need to cheat. If this the game is cheat, find the secret. Just add the ladder. So you can cheat now. So secret ladder. So Nini. This is a bullying. Can make it hard. Did you know I can make it easy? I can make it easy. I can make it easy. Easy peasy squeezy. Easy peasy squeezy. Boop, boop, boop. Everyone, that's hard, nah? Did you know? That's hard. So I can troll. What the hell? This is so unfair, nah? This is so unfair, nah? This is so unfair. On pain. This is so unfair, nah? Nah. This is so unfair, nah? Let's leave this game. This is so embarrassing na. This is need ako. Avatar World! Then I'm gonna change the boy to be a small. So turn it small. Turn it small. Yes, we turn it into a small. So that's why. Because he's ugly. We're their own house. Ice cream shop. Ignore. Oh, this is my ice cream shop na. This is my ice cream shop na. This is her scoop. So he can do here. So we can. This is the helper. So they can work together. So this is the get her some ice cream. So this is the here. So you can do this. You can do this. You can do this too. So you can do the wait. Oh, this is a cleaner only. No. Let's eat it. Yum yum yum. They can get some glasses. So steal a glasses from the fridge. No, don't steal. Just go like this. You can get some ice cream so you can put it to the cone. Just like that. Don't steal or you're gonna die. Candy cone. He wants orange. There's an orange collected. So this what the hell? Eating? No, just get in a cone or in the cup. In the cup, he said. They gonna order. They gonna do it. So eat it. So eat it now. So this kid, so boy, he got some. Bye. We need some berry. So this is kinda need too. But this is here and lemon needs and sprinkles needs. So ice cream. So that's ice cream. Yun pear. It's yun pear now. So yun pear today. So this is the passenger na. They gonna buy some ice cream. some ice cream and the cone. So they're gonna want some pistachio or better pistachio. And I am a gummy bear. So I wanted. So we gonna do. So eat it. Nom, nom. I steal. Which. Get some cone here. Get some cone. Watch flavor. And he said, wake up.
Dito eh. Kumapit ka na naman.
Sexy dito eh. Video na, Brandon. Let's make. I have a lollipop first. The lollipop. Gusto ko dito.
Umalis ka na dyan!
Gusto ko dito. Get out. Get out.
Ano ka?
Gusto ko yan di. Suta, ika.
Bumalik ka na ng kwarto ha! Isa!
Gusto ko ipuan. Doon ka na. Ayoko, ikaw. Ikaw na lang. Ikaw. Diba? You. That's your room. Doon. Where? You lie. So we're gonna start now. there's a plug under out here. So there's a home out here. So ugly home. Ew, this is so ugly home. Ew. This is ugly. This is more pantas. Let's steal a home for no key ratings. Let's steal a home.
I am here.
Wait! This is a rich city. We're rich city. This is a rich city. Rich city. Rich city. Rich. I am rich. I am rich. This is a not lighting na.
Anak kasi, nandito ka na. Anak. Oh, buka kasi dyan, buka ka kasi dyan.
Wait, this is a head. Wait, this is a girl. Oh, he can be a rich because this is a the rich. Let's do the richer one. Which avatar is this? Because this is for boys na.
I am on. I am.
Let's choose this one. So, let's find the red shirts. Let's find the red shirts here. So, let's gonna find the red short. No. A short. Like this, no. Like a shirt. Like a shirt. Sure. Like this. Like this. So let's steal. So let's steal from like that. Let's steal. Let's steal. Let's steal. So this is gonna be here. So there's no more. Alright, I am witch. True. But I am a boy. So what is the middle of? Oh, okay. Let's go here. Let's go here at the beach. When I go to the beach, I'm here. So they're gonna go now. So they gonna go here. So they gonna float. Then gonna die. Oh, they gonna do this. So they gonna go. So let's make it. Let's make it. Let's make it other day. So let's make it night. It's a night. It's a night. So overnight. So let's brought some food. Some food. Why? Why can I cannot enter? Nah, maybe at the don't worry. You can go here. Go here now. So how can I do like this? It is raining. So no, don't carry. Let's put it in the ocean. So we're gonna float. No. Let's go here at the ice cream shop. No. Diamondix! Sexy. What the hell? It's a sexy boy. So cute. I think he's gonna do it by herself too. No. I think he's gonna do this. The heavy and heavy and heavy. No, no. Do this girl. Do this girl. Don't get it, boy. Oh, this is so heavy. Cannot do it. Cannot do it. Ouch. Cute. In her leg. So they can wash it. Wash it. So you can hold it, Boo. This is for you before entering. So you can do it. Yun, hold your item na. So the others gonna join.
You need me.
This girl gonna swim. This girl gonna learn to swim. How to swim? No, this is gonna do her. Oh, he's gonna. What he can do? Oh no, he can stand. So this goes to the water, so he can swim. So he get eaten by a fish. So by a fish. This is yummy. Chocolates. Yummy, yummy. Let's peel a decoration. Sean, to make a ice cream.
Sino ba tayo sa
Yummy.
mama mo bukas? Dito ka muna. Ha? Patigasin ang abang
record microphone is on today. Yay! Yay! Uglies! This ugly so pair. Next, I'm gonna get other is ready. Is the other paper more here? Wait, is this? It's gonna go here. Wait, you need this, and you're gonna climb this. The next, okay, you're gonna climb it. So there's a people. Wait, or I'm gonna report you. Strawberries. I don't need that. Just go outside. Miss, take it. Put it there inside. Who is knocking up here? Sorry, people. It's just our IP people na. Yup, for real. Gusibag! Maya bag gusibag! Si gusibag. Wow, it's Goosey Bag. Goosey Bags. Wait, someone buying here. Wait, I seen this before na. Wait. This lipsticks so ugly. So ugly. So this girl gonna buy. So let's get like this. Wait, double tap. Wait, let's double tap. Never. Tap. There's no blue. Gonna make it. So we're gonna. I cannot get it. Is this your card? No. Oh, it's a Wi-Fi card. Where's your card? Please give me now. Or else, wait. Need to find this. No. It's gonna get this. They gonna get the pink. So collecting. So they gonna collect. So they gonna get this. So see? Wait, no. They gonna sing? No, demo would sing. So they gonna not sing. This. this, 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 this. Let me get this. So this one. Some more. So I'm gonna start paper. Yes, no. So this. Wait, I am not saying anything. Nah, just all this girl. Wait, biscuits. Wait, let's steal. A color yellow. So, what trick did you work? Wait, what? Wait, what? Wait, what the hell? Change it. Mom, you're talking back. I forgot to back it. Chimpasini bananini. Wah. Chimpasini bananini. Wah. Don't bite to the gifts. This is only here. You're gonna die at here. No. Wait, this avatar world is for 6 or 12 years old. What? This is 6 for 8 or 9. Avatar world. Go to this. This is so scary na. Put it in here. There's no empathy. There's empathy.
I have a
This is empathy.
dragon.
Wait, this is a scary. Wait. This is scary. Wait, this is our outfit section, the clothes section, the sexy section. What the hell? The sexy section, the clothing section, the food section, the magic section. What the hell? Time ba? This. Skidoo. Want this one to get? There's a sound toy. There's a Wii. Let's go outside. There's ice cream. What did they see? There's no. So this is cool. a scooter here. Miss it virally deleted. I already see. So let's go to the thrift store or any something else. This is a diaper oxygen. Thyroid. Let's go to my shop. Sounds not really good. This is a Banton, let's eat a water. Sige, let's go. Let's go, Papad. Let's go. So, wala ko water na sa no, let's give me. Hey, Mahimik si Yaris. Mahimik si Yaris. Yes, Mahimik. So, we're gonna... Wait! Why, guys? Didn't eat your ice cream? That's expired. Hurry up. I have idea too. I have idea for your dinner. No.
Labas!
Ito? I don't need idea, Brandon. I don't need idea. Okay? But, guys, I need this chain. Just feel it if you want. Let's put it here. Why I cannot put? Oh, it's illegal to put. But nice. Mine like this is so messy. So this is a thread. So let's clean it up. So they become ugly. So this is a hat. Oh, this is become a siwa. This is a today, boy, bro. This is a raincoat jacket. This is so ugly, na. So let's make it. Let's clean up my shop. So you ruin it. I'm gonna report you here. So this game is so messy. So let's put it there.
Sexy dragon.
A balloon! A balloon! I'm gonna. Where's the secret? Yung dugo. Wait, this is a bag.